Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you the story of one of Australia's most vulnerable native birds, the glossy black cockatoo. This beautiful and unique bird has been deeply affected by devastating bushfires in eastern Australia. Today we will discuss the threats facing this species, the current conservation efforts and the actions we can do to help protect it. As Robert Swan once said, the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. So let's explore why this issue matters and what each of us can do to make a difference.
The glossy cockatoo is the smallest species of black cockatoo with a brown-black body and red tail feathers. Its habitat extends from Queensland to New South Wales to eastern Gippsland, Victoria. The glossy black cockatoo is classified as vulnerable on the red list of threatened species as the mature individuals continue to decline to reach about 7,000 to 14,000 individuals with a decline of 79% in 3 generations. The bushfires of 2019 and 2020 burned over 24 million hectares of the forest, approximately 34% of the cockatoo known habitat, destroying feeding and nesting trees. The black cockatoo has a very specific diet, mainly seeds from she oak trees, and they need eucalypt trees with deep hollows to nest in and breed. Breeding success requires access to mature eucalypt tree hollows to produce only one chick a year. Reduction in eucalypt tree hollows resulted in competition for nesting hollows and exposure to predators. Conservation and recovery actions to address these threats require a coordinated conservation approach at the local, state, and national levels. Strategies include restoring and protecting the habitat, adapting an effective fire management strategy at a national level, facilitating she oak trees planting, protecting eucalypt tree hollows, and manufacture artificial nest boxes. For ongoing long-term conservation actions, community engagement at the local level is necessary for monitoring and conservation. The threats to the cockatoo are significant, and if not probably mitigated, the species may face extinction. The cockatoo is crucial for maintaining the ecological balance and forest health, particularly by dispersing the seeds of she oak trees, which is vital biodiversity and survival of the subspecies. The story of the glossy black cockatoo is not over. As we said, unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. We can support local conservation efforts, make donations, volunteer to help, share awareness, plant native trees, or even just care more about our environment. Collective small actions build large impact. Thank you for watching.